You've heard us talk about the importance of a power of attorney from a legal perspective, but it is also a must-have from a financial point of view. Jim Lineweaver is here with proof positive why a POA is so important. Jim is a certified financial planner professional with the Lineweaver Financial Group. So welcome back to the show.
Good to see you.
So first, briefly remind us, what is a power of attorney?
Okay. Well, I don't know. Maybe we should reverse roles here, but I'll do my best. Let's put it that way. Thank you. But in any event, a power of attorney is going to appoint an agent to act on your behalf. And traditionally, they're either going to be acting on a healthcare side or a financial side. But in addition to that appointment, you really just don't want it to be general, because that'll be able to execute things while everything's okay with you and you're in good shape. But you really want it durable, because if you become disabled or incapacitated, that's really when these kick in, to have somebody else step in your shoes and handle your affairs when you can't do that anymore. So very important to be durable.
So you don't want the court involved, so you really got to have that paper.
Exactly. Did I do an okay job? Was that okay?
Good,
was
yeah.
No, okay,
Yeah,
good.
So, another future for you.
Oh, there you go.
A lot of couples think, though, that because they're married, that the spouse has the right to do all of those things for them, and that's not really true.
No,
correct?
This is the biggest misconception that I constantly run into with people that come into our office. They're like, we're married, I can handle everything for that spouse. Well, no, if you're just joint on anything, great, you can. So on your house and on your savings account, checking account, all that's fine. But they'll say, well, I'm also a beneficiary. Well, I can just take care of it then. Well, the person has to die before that gets executed. So what happens is, when these people or spouse, loved one, gets incapacitated, people don't realize anything individually in that other person's or that disabled person's name, you have no control over. It's like they're a total stranger. And you're going to have to petition the court and get a legal document, maybe appoint somebody yourself as a guardian. But that's a big process when you may need money in a short order. So it's a huge misconception in the industry.
Important problem. But there's other problems that can come up too. So can you tell us a few of those? There
is. So I mean, if cash flow was a crunch and you all of a sudden want another distribution, or you want something turned off, or to try to handle things from an estate perspective, to maybe get some things or gifted out of the estate, because this person may not be coming back from incapacity, again, can't do it. So your hands are tied in so many ways, and this is just such an easy legal document to get that most people overlook it, and it's really a shame.
But I think some people are worried about the power that a power of attorney gives someone else over their assets.
That's true. That's true. And what I've seen sometimes is people will get this document done, and then they won't tell the individual, and they also won't give it to anybody. So they're kind of hoarding it, and it's not going to do any good either. So you are giving somebody some pretty serious powers. So you have to make sure you trust them. You have to make sure that they're going to act on your best behalf, and you want to tell them. I mean, they may not want this responsibility, but it's important, and you know, everybody should be involved in these type of legal documents.
Yeah, that's absolutely true. So in addition to letting the person know that they may have to step into this role, how else can you make things set things up so it's easy in an emergency?
Well, a lot of people forget. They think that if we just have this paper, that it's going to be fine, and I'll just get it in. And matter of fact, for our clients, we have a vault. So we have an online system that people can store this document, and if they need it, they're traveling, whatever, snowbirds, they can take that and take care of it. And it's good. It's a nice, easy operation. However, a lot of companies require their own paperwork as well. So they like your document, but you're also going to have to sign off on something else. And so therefore, make sure you get all that stuff done ahead of time, so you don't find out that it's really not in effect, or you can't use it the way you thought you could after the fact.
All right, excellent tips, just like I would have done with it.
All right, I passed.
A power of attorney is important for your wealth and your well-being. Don't wait. Take steps now to protect you and your loved ones. Need help in understanding the financial factors in this legal document? Give Jim a call. His number's next.
For more information, call the Lineweaver Financial Group at 1-888-313-4009 or click to www.lineweaver.net. Next,